Your car is not outdated, but the way you're using it might be? Because Amazon is packed with hidden car gadgets that can turn ordinary vehicles into smarter, safer, and more advanced machines. We're talking about upgrades that fix annoying problems you deal with every single day, and features that feel like they should already come built into your car. The crazy part? Some of these cost less than a tank of gas, but can make your vehicle feel like it got a premium factory upgrade. And don't leave early, because the final gadgets are the ones most drivers don't even know exist. Let's get into it. Stop risking your expensive phone on cheap, shaky plastic car mounts. Throw that garbage away and look at this absolute beast of a mount. It features an industrial-grade 20xN55 magnetic array and a solid alloy arm that locks your phone in place. The ultra-stable vacuum suction cup fuses to your windshield or dashboard, like it's welded there. No matter how rough the road or how sharp the turn, your phone is not moving an inch. This thing is so strong your car might break before your phone drops. If you are tired of lonely, boring road trips, you need this tiny robot in your car right now. Meet Poki, your new interactive driving buddy that completely changes your time behind the wheel. This cute little intelligent robot literally reacts in real time to how you drive, whether you accelerate or hit the brakes. It is not just another useless dashboard toy, it keeps you company and brings life to your cabin. It is the perfect co-pilot for anyone who loves long solo drives, but hates the silence. With Poki on board, you will never drive alone again. Imagine being late for work, turning your key, and hearing a dead battery click? Never experience that nightmare again with Always Start, the world's first smart car battery protector. It constantly monitors your vehicle's voltage and automatically reserves starting power before it drains completely. Even if you accidentally leave your headlights beaming overnight, this device steps in to save you, instant insurance against a dead battery. If your car speakers sound flat and completely lack that deep, satisfying bass, watch this. The 7-tour subwoofer turns your regular car cabin into a premium rolling concert hall. Its ultra-slim design slides perfectly under your seat, without stealing any valuable trunk space. The integrated thermal protection system ensures you can blast heavy music for hours without overheating. Massive concert-grade bass, hidden under your seat. We all love road trips with our dogs, but nobody wants their leather seats ruined. This heavy-duty dog seat cover features a hard bottom extender that holds up to 500 pounds easily. It bridges the seat gap to give your large pet a massive, comfortable flat bed to stretch out on. It also features built-in visual mesh windows, so your dog can see you and stay calm. The entire hammock is 100% waterproof and non-slip, completely blocking scratches, mud, and shedding hair. First-class luxury for your pet, spotless seats for you. Stop tangling with messy charging cables every time you want to use your navigation map. This ultra-compact adapter converts your old, annoying wired setup into completely seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. With its clever one-click mode switching, you can jump between devices instantly without any lag. You literally just plug it into your USB port once, hide it away, and enjoy effortless connection forever. Ditch the cord clutter and step into the wireless future today. A single road accident without video proof can cost you thousands of dollars in insurance scams? Protect yourself from every angle with a BotSlab dual dash cam system shooting in crystal clear 4K. It uses the industry-leading StarVis sensor for flawless night vision, and features 5 GHz lightning-fast Wi-Fi to download footage. With its 24-hour parking mode, your car stays completely guarded even when you are fast asleep. It is like having a non-stop, high-definition security guard for your car. Trying to untangle a spiderweb of charging cables while driving is an absolute safety nightmare. Clean up your center console instantly with this heavy-duty retractable car charger adapter. It plugs directly into your cigarette lighter, and features 2 built-in fast-charging cables that smoothly pull out. When you are done, they snap right back inside the sleek housing with a simple, quick tug. Say goodbye to messy cables and hello to clean, rapid power. If you are still using a long, clumsy pressure washer want to wash your car, watch this. Upgrade your detailing game instantly with the ultra-premium, short McKillen Swivel Gun Pro handle for unmatched nozzle control. It features a built-in 3/8-inch swivel male plug that completely stops your high-pressure hose from tangling up. It is fully compatible with your favorite foam cannon and includes a handy nozzle tips holder right on the frame. Wash your car like an absolute professional detailer in half the time. You don't need to spend thousands on a new infotainment system just to get Bluetooth in your older car. The Joyroom adapter brings cutting-edge Bluetooth 6.0 technology to any vehicle with a basic headphone jack. This plug-and-play lifesaver features dual built-in microphones with active noise cancellation for crystal-clear hands-free calls. The large multifunction button on the front lets you play, pause, or answer calls without looking down. Instantly turn your old factory radio into a modern wireless sound system. There is absolutely nothing worse than sitting in a burning hot car and sweating right through your clothes. Beat the summer heat instantly with the Cover-A-Do ventilated driver seat cushion fabric cover. It plugs into your 12-volt or 24-volt outlet and uses dual built-in turbo fans to blast ice-cold air. With 3 adjustable wind speeds, it continuously circulates air right under you to eliminate sticky backs. Turn your regular driver's seat into an ice-cold throne. Backing up a massive trailer or truck with blind spots is an absolute accident waiting to happen. This wireless 1080p backup camera features a heavy-duty magnetic base for a tool-free, 1-minute installation. The scratch-proof camera is solar-powered for continuous charging and streams lag-free video straight to a dashboard monitor. You get crystal-clear day and night vision without running a single wire through your vehicle. Get complete rear-view confidence in 60 seconds flat. A sudden tire blowout at highway speeds can completely flip your vehicle and ruin your trip. The Time8 monitoring system uses heavy-duty external sensors to track your tire pressure and temperature in real time. The big, bright color LCD monitor mounts on your dash and tracks up to 5 tires simultaneously. With 6 distinct alarm modes, it warns you the exact second a dangerous leak occurs. Track your tires like a pro and stop blowouts before they happen. Stop wasting money on bad, overpriced rest stop coffee during long highway road trips. This portable car kettle lets you boil fresh water for coffee, tea, or noodles right from your cup holder. It features smart multi-temp controls, a clear LCD display, and a leak-proof 304 stainless steel body. Dual 12-volt/24-volt compatibility makes it perfect for both small cars and massive semi-trucks. Bring a kitchen-grade boiling kettle right onto your dashboard. Thieves can easily bypass your car's electronic key fob alarm in under 30 seconds. Force criminals to walk away with this heavy-duty steering wheel lock device. This extendable metal tool acts as an unbreakable physical and high-visibility visual deterrent that takes seconds to install. It completely locks down your steering mechanism, while built-in rubber padding keeps your leather scratch-free. Put an unbreakable physical deadbolt on your steering wheel. Stop letting trapped, toxic heat ruin your car's interior while parked in the sun. The Ecool ventilation system uses solar power continuously. Exhaust blistering heat and bring in fresh air. It features a tool-free installation that slides right onto your window track in seconds. This clever device ensures rapid air exchange, actively preserving your car's air quality and keeping cabins cooler. Keep your car fresh and cool all day for absolutely zero electricity cost. Getting stranded on the highway with a flat tire is a complete, stress-inducing nightmare. The Norshire Mini is officially the world's smallest and most portable tire inflator and air compressor. This pocket-sized powerhouse fits easily in your glove box, but packs enough punch to inflate tires rapidly anywhere. It features an intuitive digital display and an automatic shut-off function, so you never overinflate. Ditch the heavy, bulky air compressors and carry emergency roadside power in your pocket. Which of these genius car gadgets are you adding to your dashboard first? If you want to see more hidden tech like this every single day, smash that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Don't forget to drop a like if these tools made your jaw drop, and leave a comment with your absolute favorite pick. All the official Amazon links are pinned in the top comment below, so go grab yours before they sell out.